The True Position Tools cabinet plumbing jig eliminates the most common errors associated with installing cabinets over pipes and electrical outlets. Select a hole saw for each pipe size. We recommend using a hole saw about a ½ inch larger than the pipe. Align and secure the jig. Lower each arm until the gap wire touches the pipe. Tighten the knobs to secure the arm positions. This setup represents a ½ inch gap between the pipes and gap wires, which creates a ½ inch larger diameter. Transfer the front of the jig to the back of the cabinet. Align the edge stop with the adjacent cabinet edge. Draw lines along the marking edge. Align the hole saw edges with your pencil marks and begin drilling. Finish from inside the cabinet for a cleaner hole. Repeat for each pipe. Attach the swivel head and flip the arm assembly. Align the swivel head to the corner of the outlet cover plate. Draw lines along the marking edge on back of the cabinet. Align the outlet with your previously marked location and trace the rest of the outlet. Cut and remove the outlet hole. Install the cabinet on your layout marks. Clean and accurate plumbing holes. Perfect results every time.